Enjoy the presentation tour. There are 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms in this spacious 4,113 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 612-386-4259. That's 612-386-4259. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.